Gray matter versus white matter. Gray matter is found mainly in the brain's outer layer, cortex, and some deep structures. For example, the cerebral cortex is involved in sensory perception. Gray matter processes information and houses neurons' cell bodies. For example, decision-making and voluntary muscle movements. Gray matter appears gray due to the presence of neuronal cell bodies and unmyelinated fibers. For example, the gray matter in the brain looks darker on MRI scans. Gray matter contains neuron cell bodies, dendrites, and glial cells. For example, the amygdala is involved in emotion processing. Gray matter is integral in muscle control, sensory perception, and higher cognitive functions. For example, processing visual and auditory information. White matter is found beneath the gray matter, forming the brain's inner structures. For example, the corpus callosum connecting the left and right hemispheres. White matter transmits signals between different brain regions and between the brain and spinal cord. For example, relaying sensory information from the body to the brain. White matter appears white due to the myelin sheath covering the axons. For example, white matter tracks are visible as lighter areas on MRI scans. White matter is composed of myelinated axons and glial cells. For example, the optic nerve, transmitting visual information from the eyes to the brain. White matter facilitates communication and coordination between different gray matter regions. For example, connecting motor areas in the brain with muscles.